pretending to be a train. Do you like trains? Yeah, me too. Can you make a train sound? Go toot toot. Hey, that's really good. Let's do it again. Toot toot. Ha ha ha! That's so much fun. I like trains. That reminds me of a funny poem about a train. First, it starts with a peanut. Ah, there's our peanut. It goes like this. A peanut sat on a railroad track. Its heart was all aflutter. Engine 9 came down the line. Toot, toot. Want to do that sound with me? Toot, toot. Uh-oh. Peanut butter. Oh. Isn't that funny? Okay, I have another verse. This one's about an apple. An apple sat on the railroad track. It looked like it was lost. Engine 9 came down the line. Toot with me. Ready? Toot, toot. Applesauce. Oh. Oh, now we have a banana. A banana sat on the railroad track. It's not a good place to sit. Engine 9 came down the line. Toot, toot. Ah! Banana split. Oh. Oh, one more. It's an orange. Okay, here we go. An orange sat on the railroad track, wondering, where is the caboose? Engine 9 came down the line. Toot, toot. Orange juice. Ah, that is such a silly poem. Funny, funny. Should we be a train again? I love trains. Toot, toot. Oh no, I'm going faster. Ah, I'm going too fast. Oh no. Stop. Whoa. Oh, that hurt my nose. I think I'm gonna go home now. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you later.